My name is Gerard Deegan. I live just outside Mullingar here in County Westmeath. I'm an organic beef farmer since 1999. Back then I was in dairy, and then in 2012 I planted 100 acres of forestry, roughly 50-50 hardwood and softwood. I had a certain amount of health issues going on. I was 55 at the time. Suddenly realised life is passing by here very quickly. I have no successor. What am I going to do if I can't milk tomorrow or the next day or in a year's time? The options then really were either to set the place or go into forestry. And I really had a grow for wood and timber and growing trees. I met up with my own Teagasc advisor first, and he gave me great advice on where to go, and he put me in touch with different foresters, one of whom I took on afterwards, and he was a gem. He looked after all the paperwork, all the applications. He also was a brilliant man in laying out this forest, a man that actually listened to my ideas, told me what would work and what wouldn't work. Like everyone else, the ash here got hit with ash dieback, and after about 4 years I got the reconstitution grant. So I wanted to diversify. So I came back in with oak, beech, sycamore, a little bit of sweet chestnut and a bit of improved birch. The key is diversity. It builds resilience to fight against disease and pests. There are a multitude of benefits to having forestry in the system, particularly for the environment. You're talking about nature, ecology, carbon sequestration, carbon cycling, water filtration, purification. There are numerous financial benefits to the forestry as well, whether it be in first thinnings, second thinnings, the grants that we get for thinning hardwoods, firewood, making biochar. It will be a secure pension for me going forward, please God. Long term, I see forestry supporting my farm. I think it's a crucial part of the whole cycle. It's all interconnected. The healthier the soil, the healthier the plant is going to be. The healthier the plant is going to be, the healthier the animal is going to be. And healthier all food is going to be. And that means the healthier every human being is going to be. If there's anybody out there thinking of forestry, I definitely say go ahead. Have diverse species in there. Make a path through it. When it grows up, an acre you'll get lost in it. Here last week, young kids came here for a forest school. And the enjoyment I got out of that, listening to them laughing and playing in a forest, rather than seeing them in the kitchen and eat every one of them on a phone and no interaction with any of them. It's a crucial part for the well-being of society. It creates an environment where we can actually breed and connect to ourselves and to nature. We have to get away from the synthetic fertilizers and pesticides and fungicides. Nature will look after it. It's time we took back some control in our own lives, had control over our own income, not be feeding the multinationals, the big corporate groups. And forestry is a crucial part of that.